Femoral. Femoral. Anterior compartment of the thigh. Anterior compartment, femoral. Okay? And medial compartment is obturator. Can you see the difference? You cannot get wrong with obturator. I tell you. If you write it wrong, you don't know. Obturator. Obturator, medial compartment, medial to the thigh. Medial compartment, medial compartment of the thigh. Medial to the psoas, obturator, medial compartment of the thigh. And it is coming from your anterior anterior branch of your 2, 3, and 4. Femoral is posterior branch of your 2, 3, and 4. Lateral cutaneous nerve, what is the nerve? 2 and 3. Genitofemoral, 1 and 2. How about your iliopsoas, iliohypogastric, and ilioinguinal? Here. Okay? So look at, this is L1. It divides into 2. One is your ilioinguinal, iliohypogastric, I'm sorry. This is iliohypogastric, and the other one, lower, is your ilioinguinal. What is that? How will you know whether it's lateral cutaneous or ilioinguinal on the lower part? Your ilioinguinal is above the iliac crest. The one that crosses the iliacus muscle is the lateral cutaneous nerve to the thigh. Okay? Ilioinguinal supplies what? It will pass through the inguinal canal and exit through the external inguinal ring to supply the scrotum or labia and the medial aspect, upper portion, the medial portion of the thigh. What supplies your cremaster muscle? The genital branch of the genitofemoral. Genital branch of the genitofemoral. Okay, we're done. So, you might, don't tell me you cannot identify the vena cava. Inferior vena cava. What forms the inferior vena cava? Right and left common iliac. At the level of commencement, LV5, termination, EV8. 10 is esophagus, 12 is aortic, 8 is inferior vena cava, cavalocus. Okay, they can ask you the organs that it supply or that drains into it, or the vessels that drains into it. There, so then they answered that. Okay. Okay, I think we're done with that. We go here. So what else? What did I miss? This one. What is this? Ureter. So if you see a long tube like this that crosses the iliac crest, the pelvic brim, okay? So this is your ureter. Ureter, you have abdominal portion. The abdominal portion starts from the pelvis up to the area where it crosses the pelvic brim, or where it crosses the bifurcation of the common iliac. Okay? Gonadal. Look at the gonadal, the origin. Okay. And look at the ureter. It originates from the hilus. It is the continuation of the pelvis. So 3 constriction. First, uretero-pelvic junction. Second, where it crosses the common iliac. And third, when it enters the urinary bladder, uretero-vesical junction. And when it enters obliquely. It enters obliquely to prevent regurgitation of urine. And what is the part of the bladder where it enters? The fundus and supero-lateral portion of the fundus, or at the base of the bladder.